Hello everybody and welcome to the Core Competencies class offered by Newcastle School of Trades Online. I want to give you a little quick tour to help you better succeed with the tools and features found on this website. So I'm going to scroll down here to the first section and it says Course Resources. And what I'd like to highlight to you is this information here. It contains important information like your instructor name, class name, virtual hours, and your instructor's email. I'm going to want to encourage you to use that email often. If you need assistance with anything, this is the go-to email and communication for this course. The next thing I want to highlight is your course syllabus down here. Make sure you read over that because it contains some important details about this class like the schedule, grading policies, and various other things. So make sure you read over this. Okay, I want to take you to the first week's lesson. And the first thing I want to show you is there's a navigational bar right here. This is a 10-week class, and you'll notice there are 10 weeks highlighted, week 1, 2, all the way up to 10. So you can click through these weeks to access the different weeks' contents. And you'll notice at week 6, it jumps over to a math class because it's a 2-part class. The first part is Pacific Institute and the second part is a basic math class. And the last 6 weeks, weeks 6 through 10, is your math class. Let's take a quick look at the week 1. Always at the top it tells you what you need to complete for that week. It says Unit 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is unique because the book is right here. That's actually Unit 1 of the book. Here's Unit 2, Unit 3. I want to show you the book because it's built right into my NCST. This is page 1 of the book, and you'll notice little navigational arrows that show up right here. Use these arrows to flip to the next page. There's a lot of videos and interactive tools inside these books. It's not a lot of reading, it's a lot of videos. So it makes it a little funner. But again, here are the navigational arrows, and here is the table of contents for this book. So you can flip through this at your convenience. Okay. Okay, what you'll notice right underneath each section is there's an assignment due. So make sure you complete whatever assignments that you see under each section of the book. Okay, that will take you through weeks 1 through 5. You get to week 6. This is the math lesson of your course. What you'll notice again is what you need to complete. This one happens to be Chapter 1. Sections 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4. So that's the goal for this week. If you notice, as you scroll down, you have the textbook to your access, and you have 4 assignments due this week. Oh, I'm sorry, those are the video lessons. The assignments are actually right here. But let me show you the video lessons. I'm going to click on the first video lesson. And you'll notice there are little video lessons built right into this program that show you how to do
Consider the following addition problem. Here we have
the work.
5,002.
So please use these videos to learn the content. It's just like having a teacher and you're listening to them in a classroom. The only difference is if you have a question, you need to email the question. Okay, let's take a look at the homework assignments. I'm going to log into section 1.1. So this is 1.1's homework. You'll notice there are 28 problems. They're pretty simple problems, but there's 28 of them. And I'm going to access the first one just to show you what it looks like. And I want to show you the little help menu right here. And that is right here. That is a great feature because if you need any help answering this problem, you can access a whole array of tools. Sometimes there's videos, other times there's view an example, there's textbook, help me solve this. So these tools right here are really nice, and I encourage you to use them if you have any questions over here answering this problem. So this is a resource to getting that problem solved. You could take these questions multiple times. I encourage you to do so. Only skill set is to be gained by doing multiple attempts. So by all means, do it as many times as you'd like. Try to get a perfect score and learn it as best as you possibly can. Okay, let's go back to the course. One last thing I'd like to show you is the actual test. So for this week, there are 10 tests. This week's test is Chapter 1. I'm going to go ahead and enter the test. Once you start the test, here's the test. You have one attempt at the test. This one has 25 questions. And this is what a test looks like. Make sure not to skip the test, as I believe they're worth about 80% of your grade. So super important to take the test and be fully prepared to take the test before you take the test. And you do that by practicing with